Hey Shelly, what you got in the box?
I got something cool in the box from Cover My Plate.
Cover my plate. Why do you want to cover your plate?
Because nobody needs to know my license plate information for videos. Stop trying to be Snoopy.
And it's advertising.
So check it out. It's actually really cool
Yeah,
because we ordered the brushed metal and it's actually metal. Check it out. Pretty fancy, right?
Yeah, check that out.
Okay, let's go put it on.
Brushed aluminum.
Feels like actually metal. Not like metal like Lamb of God, but like metal.
So Shelly, how does that work?
So see these?
Yeah.
They're magnets and they go over the bolts on your license plate.
Okay, so your top two bolts, they just fit right over in like this.
Yes, like this.
Oh wait, or like this.
Oh
Let's
wait,
come
there we go. Boom.
in. Yeah, well that was a little close. Okay, let's see you put this on. Let's see how hard it is.
One. Just got to get it lined up right. There we go. See, it just goes right over the bolts and it's on there nice and tight.
There you go. You wouldn't want to drive around with that on there. You'll probably get pulled over.
Been there, done that.
This is for stationary advertising. And also we have this silicone plate cover on there, so it impedes a little bit, but it's holding just fine as you can see. So perfect. Ooh, and the brushed silver and black looks good on the black vehicle.
Win.
All right, we're gonna post an affiliate link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. There's plenty of designs online and where you can customize your own.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.